Our minds are incredibly powerful tools capable of shaping our reality in ways we often underestimate. The subconscious mind, which operates primarily when we are asleep, holds the key to our deepest beliefs and desires. By accessing and programming this part of our mind, we can accelerate the manifestation process. One effective method to achieve this is by placing a meaningful object or written affirmation under your pillow. This simple yet potent practice aligns your conscious intentions with your subconscious, creating a synergy that propels your desires into fruition. The subconscious mind governs most of our behaviors, thoughts, and emotions. It is where our habits, fears, and deeply held beliefs reside. Unlike the conscious mind, which is logical and analytical, the subconscious is more like a sponge, absorbing everything it encounters. This is why it is crucial to fill it with positive, goal-oriented thoughts. When you place an object or a note under your pillow, it acts as a direct communication channel to your subconscious, gently influencing your mind towards your desired outcome. The object you place under your pillow should resonate deeply with your specific intention. It could be a crystal known for its manifestation properties, such as clear quartz or citrine. Alternatively, you could use a written affirmation or a symbol that represents your goal. The key is to choose something that you feel a strong connection to, something that inspires and motivates you. If you opt to use a written affirmation, it's essential to craft it carefully. Affirmations should be clear, concise, and in the present tense. For instance, if your goal is to attract financial abundance, you might write, I am Wukai wealth Gisai and the key financially free. And if you seek better health, you could write Wichi, I am healthy, strong, and vibrant. The affirmation should evoke a positive emotional response, reinforcing your belief in its truth. Before placing your chosen object or affirmation under your pillow, take a moment to set your intention clearly. This involves focusing your mind on what you wish to manifest and visualizing it as already achieved. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and imagine living your dream. Feel the emotions associated with it, the joy, excitement, and gratitude. This step is crucial as it charges your object or affirmation with powerful, positive energy, aligning it with your subconscious mind. For the manifestation process to be effective, your sleeping environment should be calm and conducive to relaxation. Ensure your bedroom is free from clutter and distractions. Use soothing colors, pleasant scents, and soft lighting to create a peaceful ambiance. You might also want to listen to calming music or nature sounds to help your mind relax and become more receptive to the subconscious programming. During sleep, the brain goes through various stages, including REM, rapid eye movement, and non-REM sleep. It is during the deeper stages of sleep that the subconscious mind becomes most active. By placing an object or affirmation under your pillow, you create a physical reminder of your intention that your subconscious mind can latch on to. This process is supported by scientific research, which shows that the brain continues to process information and solve problems during sleep. Manifestation is not an overnight miracle, although the title of this method suggests otherwise. It requires consistency and patience. Make this practice a nightly ritual, reinforcing your intention and belief each time. And over time, you will start to notice subtle changes in your thoughts, feelings, and circumstances. These are signs that your subconscious mind is working behind the scenes to bring your desires to life. One of the biggest obstacles to successful manifestation is doubt and negative beliefs. It's natural to have moments of skepticism, especially when results aren't immediate. However, it's crucial to address these doubts head on. When you catch yourself doubting, remind yourself of your power to create your reality. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Remember, your subconscious mind believes what you repeatedly tell it, so feed it with empowering beliefs. Visualization is a powerful tool that complements the pillow manifestation technique. Before going to sleep, spend a few minutes visualizing your goal. Imagine it in vivid detail. See, hear, and feel everything as if it's happening right now. This reinforces your intention and further impresses it upon your subconscious mind. Visualization not only helps you stay focused on your goal, but also increases the emotional charge associated with it, making the manifestation process even more effective. Gratitude is a high vibration emotion that amplifies the manifestation process. When you are grateful, you send out positive energy that attracts more of what you appreciate into your life. Each night before placing your object or affirmation under your pillow, take a moment to reflect on the things you are grateful for. And this could be anything from a loving relationship to a comfortable home or even small victories you've experienced that day. By focusing on gratitude, you align yourself with the frequency of abundance, making it easier for your desires to manifest. Despite its simplicity, the pillow manifestation technique can present challenges, especially if you are new to the practice. Common obstacles include maintaining consistency, dealing with impatience, and overcoming negative thoughts. To address these challenges, consider keeping a manifestation journal. Document your nightly practice, any dreams you remember, and any changes you notice in your life. This will help you stay committed and provide valuable insights into your progress. The pillow manifestation technique works in harmony with several universal laws, including the law of attraction and the law of vibration. The law of attraction states that like attracts like, meaning that positive thoughts attract positive outcomes. The law of vibration emphasizes that everything in the universe is in a constant state of vibration, including our thoughts and emotions. By placing a positive object or affirmation under your pillow, you align yourself with these laws, in increasing the likelihood of manifesting your desires. And while the pillow manifestation technique is powerful on its own, it can be enhanced by integrating other manifestation practices. Meditation, for example, helps quiet the mind and deepen your connection with the subconscious. Affirmations can be used throughout the day to reinforce your intentions. Vision boards provide a visual representation of your goals, keeping them at the forefront of your mind. By combining these techniques, you create a comprehensive manifestation practice that maximizes your potential for success. Manifestation is a journey, and it's important to celebrate small wins along the way. Each time you notice a positive change, no matter how minor, acknowledge it and express gratitude. This not only boosts your morale, but also reinforces the belief that your efforts are paying off. Celebrating small wins keeps you motivated and focused on your end goal, making the manifestation process more enjoyable and rewarding. Belief and faith play a crucial role in the manifestation process. Without them, even the most powerful techniques can fall short. Belief is the conviction that your desire is possible, while faith is the unwavering trust that it will come to pass. Cultivate belief and faith by focusing on past successes, surrounding yourself with positive influences, and regularly affirming your ability to manifest your dreams. These elements create a strong foundation for your manifestation practice, increasing the likelihood of achieving your desired outcome. As we reach the end of this exploration into the pillow manifestation technique, it's clear that our minds possess an incredible capacity to shape our reality. The subconscious mind, working tirelessly behind the scenes, is a powerful ally in the pursuit of our dreams. By placing a carefully chosen object or a meaningful affirmation under your pillow, you tap into this profound potential, aligning your nightly rest with your deepest intentions. This practice isn't just about wishful thinking, it's about creating a focused and consistent habit that reinforces your goals. Each night as you lay down, you are planting seeds in the fertile ground of your subconscious. These seeds grow and flourish, bringing about changes that might seem almost magical, but are deeply rooted in the psychological principles of belief and repetition. Choosing the right object or crafting the perfect affirmation is a personal journey. Whether it's a crystal that resonates with your goals or a statement that captures your desires, the key is in its connection to your heart and mind. This connection ensures that every night as you drift into sleep, your intentions are being gently impressed upon your subconscious, guiding your thoughts and actions towards manifestation. Setting your intention is a critical step. It's not enough to merely place an item under your pillow. You need to infuse it with purpose. Visualize your goal vividly. Feel the emotions associated with its achievement, and let that energy charge your chosen object or affirmation. This sets a powerful tone for your subconscious mind to work with as you sleep. Creating a conducive environment is equally important. A calm, clutter-free space enhances the effectiveness of this practice. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary of peace where your mind can relax and your subconscious can take over. Adding elements like soothing music or calming scents can further enhance this atmosphere, making your nightly ritual more effective. Consistency is where many falter. It's easy to try a new technique for a few nights and then give up when results aren't immediate. However, true manifestation requires patience and dedication. By making this a nightly habit, you reinforce your intentions and give your subconscious the time it needs to align your outer reality with your inner desires. Addressing doubts and negative beliefs is a part of this journey. It's natural to encounter moments of skepticism, but it's essential to counter these with positive affirmations and a firm belief in your power to create change. Your thoughts shape your reality, and maintaining a positive mindset is crucial for success. Enhancing the pillow manifestation technique with visualization and gratitude can amplify its effects. Visualizing your goals as already achieved and expressing gratitude for what you have creates a powerful, energetic alignment with your desires. This not only accelerates the manifestation process, but also keeps you focused and motivated. Finally, belief and faith are the cornerstones of successful manifestation. Trust in your ability to create the life you desire. Cultivate a mindset of unwavering belief and faith, and let these guide you towards your dreams. To our viewers, we invite you to share your experiences and insights in the comments below. How have you harnessed the power of your mind to manifest your dreams? Your stories inspire and uplift others, creating a space of collective growth and understanding. Let's continue this conversation and support each other on this transformative journey. Comment below and let your voice be heard.